So for V60 or filter coffee, you're going to need pre-ground coffee, V60, scoop, your mug, your scales, your paper and the water. So the first step is to get the filter paper, and if you just fold it along the seam, it'll make it easier to pop in. And what we do then is we just put a bit of water in just to get it to stick. Once the water has gone through, we just want to discard it. The next step is to measure 15 grams of coffee out. So if you haven't got scales, it's roughly an even scoop. From there, we're going to set the scales back to 0 and we're going to start pouring the water. So the first step is to put roughly 30 grams of water in, and then we're going to let it bloom. So what that is, it's just the centre part of the coffee starts to bubble up. Once that's happening, it's dripped through, we're going to pour again. And what we want to be doing is totaling around 250 grams of water. So you might have to do it in stages to let it drip all the way through. With that then, you just wait for it to come through. Once it is dripped all the way through, you'll be left with just the remains of the pre-ground coffee and the filter paper. So you can remove that and either add milk or just drink it black.